Hello, good afternoon student. Welcome you all in my YouTube channel Kshitij Chemistry. This is Dr. Richa Kothari. Today I am taking your class on Curtius rearrangement reaction. Actually, Curtius degradation reaction, also known as the Curtius rearrangement reaction. This reaction is very similar to the Schmidt reaction. In this reaction, the main starting material is isocyanate. The molecular formula of isocyanate is O double bond C double bond N and R, where R is considered as an alkyl group as well as aryl group. Alkyl group means methyl, ethyl, etc. and aryl group means phenyl. Phenyl radical is known as the aryl radical or the aryl group. Now I explain the mechanism part of this Curtius rearrangement reaction. इससे पहले मैंने आपको बताया था कि कर्टियस रिएक्शन में स्टार्टिंग मटेरियल आइसोसाइनेट होता है. आइसोसाइनेट बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टार्टिंग मटेरियल है एंड इट प्लेज अ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल फॉर द डिफरेंट पॉलीमराइजेशन रिएक्शन लाइक प्रिपरेशन ऑफ पॉलीथीन, पॉलीविनाइल क्लोराइड, पॉलीविनाइल एसीटेट. एंड दिस कंपाउंड shows a very important role in the synthesis of different derivatives of biomacromolecules like synthesis of nucleotides, proteins, lipids, etc. So this is the general introduction of the starting material, that is isocyanate. Now I explain you the mechanism of the Curtius rearrangement reaction. Dear student, actually this reaction proceeds with 3 steps. First step is acyl azide preparation. This is the most important part. And second is decarboxylation process. Decarboxylation process means removal of carbon dioxide gas from the reaction medium. This is the second step. And the third step is, or we can say that, the removal of nitrogen gas. And fourth step, conversion of acyl amide into the primary amine. So we can say that fourth step is conversion of acyl azide into primary amine. So this is the outline of the reaction mechanism of Curtius rearrangement reaction. Now I explain the reaction mechanism one by one. That is, first step is acyl azide preparation of intermediate. Now I explain the reaction mechanism with electron donation as well as the electromeric effect. First of all, I explain the acyl azide preparation. In this case, we take the starting material as RC double bond O Cl. This compound, R is an alkyl group or an aryl group, and this group, that is C double bond O Cl, is known as the acyl functional group. In the first step, acyl group, or this is the reagent, acyl acid. First of all, this acyl azide or acyl chloride reacts with sodium azide. This is the sodium azide. In this, sodium is positive and this nitrogen is negative due to the presence of lone pair of electron. The name of this compound is sodium azide. What happens when acyl acid, which contains the acyl functional group, reacts with the sodium azide? What happens? The electronic rearrangement takes place. That is, this lone pair of electron attracts towards this carbon because the carbon is positive, and this electron pair is shifted towards the oxygen atom. So this is the migration of electron. As a result of migration of electron, this sodium ion reacts with the chloride ion and releases the sodium chloride in the form of product, and the compound form is R, C double bond O, N double bond N, and double bond N. Again, this nitrogen contains lone pair of electron and this nitrogen is positively charged, and the migration of electron takes place on this carbon. In this step, when the NaCl is released, two resonating structures are formed. One is this RC double bond O N double bond N double bond N, and the second molecule is R single bond C double bond O and N. In this case, this nitrogen is negative due to the presence of the lone pair of electron, and this nitrogen is positive. This is the compound. Name of this compound is acid azide.